Hello, old friend. Resurrection time. Luci's coming back. There she is, boys. Luci. You guys haven't seen her in forever, but we're giving her a little freshen up. Been a staple of the channel forever. I was talking about selling it. I still might, who knows, but I'm gonna just start fixing it up a little bit. She could use a little bit of fine tuning. We'll kind of break it down what we're gonna be doing to Luci today.
So we're gonna take the shocks off, change the oil, the seals, just a basic rebuild. We're here at the BLR shop. Basic rebuild on this, just get it back to being fresh again. Maybe we got a couple little cool little billet goodies we're gonna throw on it.
Yeah, maybe some billet caps on here at the ends. It's got the Schrader valve on it, but yeah, upgrade it a little bit more.
A little minor upgrade.
Yeah, think about it, guys. Maybe one of you guys want this thing. It's getting upgraded. But the BLR shop here is a suspension shop right in St. Helen. Chad has had the cabins forever, but now he has a suspension shop, and basically we're teamed up selling MTS parts because we love the suspension setup for those things. And for St. Helen, the chatter bumps and everything, it's kind of like, it's a game changer. It gets rid of the bumps. My MTS suspension on my Pro R, it's pretty hard to explain. I have to like take people for rides. It's like, you think your car is good until you like ride it in one with the right suspension setup. It's a game changer, which Chad can do for you now. So you can get the parts through our website, or even just come to Chad.
Through the website, you can call, we can order it, however you want to do it. If you are doing a full tune with valving, you have to call. You can't order that on the website yet. But if it's just springs and a rebuild or whatever, go ahead, order your springs on the website. You can have them shipped to me or you, it doesn't matter. Bring them in, we'll set those up when we do your rebuild.
And like, so say you wanted to go right to MTS, the downside maybe is you got to ship your shocks there. Maybe you're just right out of Michigan, you could just come right here. You don't have to pay that big bill of shipping your shocks. It's really helping out the East Coasters here for the MTS setup on these rigs. Again, it's a giant game changer. Ask anybody that has them.
Usually, if you call ahead, we get your stuff ordered, you drop your car off once the parts are in, usually you can have it back the next day.
All right, that's a quick turnaround. What else, are you only doing shocks here? What all are you doing here?
We're doing shocks, we do MTS radius rods, we do the spring kits, valving, rebuilds.
Which you could even order like radius rods or some of the parts through our website. I'm sure Chad could even do those also. So he's basically building cars here, so you could be freaking getting set up. Also, to think about this too, is you could freaking go to your cabins, get your car set up, and then go ride. Right. You could do a freaking double whammy there.
Or drop your car off on Sunday when you're going home. We've got places to keep them indoors where it's safe. Pick it up on Sunday or Friday when you come back up next week. You know, not a big deal.
Yep, so I appreciate anybody that does this. It's supporting Chad, it's supporting the Dirt Dudes, so we can do bigger and better things. But let's start making Luci better. Also, here's the Pro XP from the last video that we raced in. Transmission actually got split. Plus, yeah, the whole front end. Hitting trees ain't a good thing. Oh man. Yeah, is our car picked up? That was pretty hard hit. So these are actually the stock springs on there right now, but I will be upgrading the springs to the MTS ones. Just need some money. So go hit up Chad or our website, please. I'm actually outside of Chad's shop right now, so you can see he's got this whole side of the building and this. So car storage will be able to be stored in here. Here's the front desk area, and then you got the shop in the very back. Oh, is that your spring compressor?
Game changer.
Game changer. So if you actually saw our last video, you saw the one car doing the splits. I wonder how many people are already out. I don't know. Oh, we got somebody out. Oh, no! Oh, no! How do you do that? Wow! These are actually the shocks off of it. Chad just took it home with him and he's already got them all set up and fixed. Wow, that is a game changer.
If anybody wants to buy this style spring compressor, I got 2 of them barely used. I'll sell cheap.
Yeah.
Hit me up.
Going at it SWAT team style. But here's like an example. Somebody bought Atlas radius rods right off our website, dirtdudes.utv.com. Chad's going to be installing them, but also there is a powder coat place right next door, so Chad can get your stuff powder coated and installed. So the one shock had nothing in it, no nitrogen, but they all look super clean. They were just rebuilt in 2023. But yeah, just shows you rebuilding them smart. All right, here's some upgrades. Look at those BLR billet end caps. So what do those exactly do when you put those on there?
This just extended nitrogen capacity, so we're gonna get a little more nitrogen in your reservoir. And they look cool.
And they look
cool. They got my name on it.
Working on the rears now. We've been through some shit. But fronts are on now. Just need to get these springs changed out and some valving done on it. But look at that big old billet cap right from BLR. She looks sharp. Boom!
Boom.
Look at that. Got the billet caps in the front and the rear. Rears are going on. Fresh unit. Like I said, springs are coming. Once it's all buttoned up though, we're gonna go test it out, see if we can feel a difference here. Alright, we're gonna go test her out. Shocks are all out, she's ready to go. We're gonna go find a little section here and rip her. That's a difference, dude. I'm not kidding. That's a gigantic difference. That was not enough riding with the new suspension. So let's go do some more and then we'll get back to Chad's shop because we got lots of updates for you guys if you want to come hang out with us, race, and party. All right, to start this off, I'm actually gonna go from comfort to sport to firm and see if I can feel all the differences and shred Luci. That was my first time putting it in sport instead of just comfort. Yeah, it's quite a difference compared to before. After it got rebuilt last time, it just felt like everything was comfort, and comfort was extra comforty. This is what I want. I got firm siddle feel. I think I know the spot to test it out on. Holy smokes. So I tried comfort, I tried sport, I tried firm. Right there I was just ripping around in firm. I don't got much for jumps around here. It's a lot of trails, but I'm digging it. I like it. I know if I got the springs and valving, should be money. One thing I'm really noticing is I haven't drove Luci in a while, and I got my turbocharged Pro R Aftermarket Assassins. Yeah, 350 compared to just over 200. It's a big difference. Big difference. Luci's still a hell of a rig. It's an awesome unit and still fun to shred around. It's just like comparing the two. It's two totally different animals. You'd think 350 horsepower is too much for the trails. Yo, wrong. All right, let's get back to Chad's. And stay tuned, because we're going to give you a bunch of updates of stuff we got going on, like Crashapalooza, August 24th. Come hang out with the dudes. Got a bunch of events going on. You can win money, prizes, all sorts of stuff. But yeah, head back to Chad's. I'm not kidding, guys. That is a freaking game changer, son. I cannot believe it was that much better. The shocks were built a year ago. It did not feel like that. I don't know why exactly. Like I said, 2 of them didn't have like any nitrogen in them, and I barely drove that thing. So I don't know. I don't know exactly what was up with that, but I highly recommend it. I can't say it enough. I can't say it enough. Suspension is just one of those things you don't pay attention to because the cars are so good already that you're like, I don't need to spend money on that, because it does cost money. Nothing in this business or hobby is cheap, but if I'm building a car, suspension is top on my list. It used to not be, now it is. It makes the ride so much better. Boom, that's a wrap, boys. BLR suspension, St. Helen. Come here, get the suspension installed. Do it for your old lady. She'll probably appreciate it. She hates the bumps as much as you, probably even more. Luci, I cannot believe the difference. Cannot wait to get the springs on it, with the valving and everything, because I know the game changer that does to those vehicles, which you can get right on our website, dirtdudes.utv.com. Go get your MTS stuff. I mean, like I said earlier in the video, we sell all sorts of stuff. You can go get yourself some Atlas radius rods. Come here, you can install it, get them powder coated next door, you name it. Ah, man, good time. It's nice to see Luci back in action, and it's kind of giving me the itch to do some more stuff with it. So we'll see what we got coming for it. If you guys got any ideas, leave some comments below. I don't even know.
DirtX.
Oh yeah, DirtX. I've been not saying this enough. I'm a little flustered right now. I'm so happy that Luci feels good. DirtX, it's July 20th. We're giving away $3,750 guaranteed payout. There's a pro and sportsman class. The pro class is what pays out. And it's going to be really fun, even if you're not racing. Grandstands, fair, tons of good time. All of us will be there. What do you want,
Races start at 7.
Races start at 7.
And if you want to pre-register, call this right here.
You know more of the deets. Lay the deets down on the DirtX.
Pro class limited to 36 cars. So get pre-registered for that. Racing starts at 7. Registration is going to close at 6. You got to be there at least by 6. We're looking to have a good time. It's going to be a big, wide fair track, not like what we're used to.
Yep.
So
all those races that you see where you're like, there's no room to pass. We ain't doing that.
What we're doing.
That's not what we're doing.
Totally different model.
It is not coming down to the whole shot. We're not making the race like that.
This is going to be short course racing at its finest.
Yep, with an audience, with money to pay out, so you actually leave happy. You ain't. Let's say you do mess up some stuff. If you win the race, you are going to be able to fix it.
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. And sportsmen, you know, we're going to get some cool trophies. Probably something Dirt Dude themed.
Yeah, we'll get some stuff to give away for the,
we'll have some
for the sportsman stuff.
But it will definitely be worth your time. Call, get pre-registered. We can take credit card over the phone. You get all set.
Yep. Yep, and you get to hang out with the dudes, and then not that much afterwards is Crashapalooza, August 24th at Twisted Trails, where we give away prizes and money and all have a good time. All right, that's a wrap. We'll see you in the next one.
Yeah!